DocuSign Workspaces streamlines multi-step agreement processes by centralizing documents in a secure, collaborative hub. You can use the Workspaces API to create and update these structured, multi-step workspaces from within your custom integrations. You can customize workspaces to reflect your organization's brand, including your brand colors and logo. To create a brand, you use the eSignature admin page in the DocuSign app or call the eSignature API. Note that the branding feature is not enabled by default in DocuSign developer accounts. To enable branding for your developer account, reach out to DocuSign support. To create a workspace with a custom brand using API requests, your integration first calls the eSignature API to retrieve a list of brands on your account and their brand ID values. Your code can then include a brand ID value in a call to the Workspaces API to create a new workspace using the values defined for that brand. A branded workspace supports the same actions as any other workspace, including creating and sending envelopes. When a participant is notified about new activities assigned to them in the workspace, the notification email uses the workspace branding. Your custom branding is also applied to the workspace that opens when the participant follows the link from the notification email. Let's take a look at how you implement this flow with API requests. First, you need to authenticate to DocuSign and get an access token with the necessary scopes for this task. Signature, dtr.rooms.read, dtr.company.read, dtr.rooms.write, and dtr.documents.write. Next, you make a call to the brand's endpoint of the eSignature REST API. The response includes a list of all brands associated with your account, with an associated brand ID value for each brand. Your integration can display an interface for users to choose a brand, or simply select your account's default brand. To create a workspace that implements the brand, you make a POST request to the workspace's endpoint and specify the brand ID property in the request body. The response body includes the workspace ID for the newly created workspace.